Get up. He got it in his butt crack again. He got snow in his butt crack.
It went up my back.
Yeah, well, it'll go down your butt crack when you stand up. Make a snow angel.
No!
Why?
I guessed it. There.
All right. Yeah. Look, it's up to past his knees. It's past my knees. What am I talking about? You bring Desi with you? We're going to send this to Nanny, Grandma Peggy, who else? We'll send it to some other people. Yeah, but he can't get it. Uncle Martin.
Up my book.
Little Nikki and Gracie. Hope they got some good snow today. Out there playing. Knucklehead fell down again. Man, this is amazing. We saw a deer back here last night.
Oh yeah, I'm afraid.
Remember? That deer ain't going nowhere now. He's hiding somewhere underneath some brush. Maybe right in there. Might be right in that brush right there.
Hello?
Mr. Deer, here we come. Shoot you between the eyes, Bambi.
No. Bambi's cool.
He might have kids in there that he's saying, here comes them two humans. Let's have dinner. Human chili. You cold?
No, I'm freezing.
Let me see that butt crack. How much snow you got in it? All right, video's